Here's our murdering pineapple. You'll see why in just a second. Snatch your tag off, grab your knife, and we're going to cut the bottom and top off first. We were going to cut this clip out, but we decided to leave it in. You are about to witness a murder.
No.
Aw man, we had this knife for 17 years. Well, it was time. R.I.P. knife, your life was ended by the rind of a pineapple. Okay, we had to give y'all some suspense on this one. You know we like to have a good time while in the kitchen. If you want more, check out our channel and subscribe. And no worries folks, this just shows you stuff happens in the kitchen. Don't stress, just grab another one and keep it moving. Let's go ahead and also cut off the top. We now have opened up our fresh sweet pineapple. Next tip is important. Make sure to rinse your cutting board and knife off during cuts to avoid waste pieces being in your final cut pineapple. Back and rinsed off. Here is why. As what you'll be eating will be sitting on the same surface, so keep it clean. Let's cut all the sides off and then work on the inner core. Don't worry, if a little rind or pineapple skin is still there, we'll shave this off during inspection. All the rind skin is off, and a little trick, keep a plate nearby to set it on. And as always folks, don't put this in your kitchen trash as it may cause bugs. Take it outside or recycle in your compost. Let's rinse this. And now for inspection. Any pieces of the skin that should not be there, shave those off. Trust me, you don't want to eat the outer rind or inner core.
Ew, gross.
Do a final inspection. Make sure no outside rind or pieces of the skin exist. Quick rinse and grab a smaller knife as we want to cut out this inner core without taking off too much of the edible part of the fruit. It can be slippery, so I find it safest to cut straight down while holding it firmly and the knife pointed away from you. And just cut in a circle formation on both sides. And it'll be even easier when you flip it to cut the connecting side. Now you're done. Bring back some childhood nostalgia and use your thumbs to push out the core like those delicious ice cream push pops we had as kids. Toss or recycle this part. Now you all may have bought canned pineapple from the store and it's tart, chewy, gummy, or sitting on a shelf for a while, but you can make your own fresh, sweet sliced rings like this, or chop it into chunks like we do.
However you choose to cut your pineapple, leftovers will last up to 7 days in an airtight container in the fridge. And if you want to store longer, you can freeze them for up to a year. For more details on storage, check out our website. You can always catch pineapple on sale during its peak season of March to June, basically late spring, early summer. A perfect snack by itself in a smoothie or paired with other fruits like you see here, along with green grapes and sugar-kissed melon. We hope you enjoy, and thanks again for prepping with B&T.